trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for niggas so cheap. And your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home. So this is gonna be the start of another vlog. If you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can be all in the know and with the tea that I provide throughout the week. Today's actually Wednesday. Actually, today's Tuesday. Who's calling me? Alright, my bad. Yeah, so I'm starting this vlog kind of late. It's actually Tuesday. Yeah, it's just Tuesday and I just got home from work. I really didn't do anything today. But tomorrow I am going to a work holiday party. I don't know if I can vlog that, but I'm gonna try just a little bit, just a little bit. But that's about it. So I just wanted to start off the vlog. That's it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Good morning, guys. Okay, so today is Wednesday. I am about to leave. I'm about to go to work and then to the holiday party. So I will just I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I feel like a little black Barbie today, actually. So here's my outfit. So I just have this sweater that's like open right here with these jeans and then these boots. But that's about it. I curled my hair up just a little bit. Nothing. Oh, y'all can't really see because it's kind of dark. But that's about it. I ain't really doing nothing crazy. But I will see you guys later. It's called Big Drip. So we're leaving the holiday party. Meeting. This is Trina. Hi. So we're walking back to work. Who am I? This is Noor right here. And this is Rachel, aka Brittany, aka Barbara.
Barbara's such a bad.
Okay, Barb.
Barbs.
So I won the scavenger hunt both times, like I said I would. But I told the vlog that if I didn't win, I was gonna throw a fit. So I won, so I don't have to throw a fit.
Still gonna throw a fit about something.
I got third place.
But she got third place.
Third place.
I was honorable mention.
My arm hurts, so I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Maybe
we don't hold up cameras anymore. We do it on
date night part 3.
I can tell you.
You still vlogging?
Yeah, Sable. This is obviously our official date spot. So
Put them on, girl.
I can't tell them where it's at though. I don't know. That's it.
What's it look like?
Like that. Ooh. And you just talk to it?
Yeah.
This is kind of weird. It's like not like a phone. It's like a. Oh, I guess this is what you would point at yourself. What do you mean? What do you point? This is what. Yeah, this is what you point. The lens. It's like so weird.
We haven't been able to collect from them for the last 2 years, and now you want me to do more stuff. So here's my deal.
I don't know how I feel about it. Sable was like, I don't think I would want to. Because it's like, how do you get your angles on this thing? Like, normally you're used to having it up here. What do you mean? Like when you taking, you know. Oh, like a selfie? Yeah. So I just keep holding it until I find the place that I like to. I usually do like up and then kind of down. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Hi, Trina's vlog. Oh, it's like this. Oh, she over there. Oh yeah. So I look mad oily.
Why are we doing this? Yeah. So why are we doing this? We just need to do it.
So I'll talk to y'all. I'll show you when I get home. I'll show you guys what I won from my scavenger hunt. Like I told you I was going to win. Yes, I did. Anything to get me from not working.
Somebody's doing this.
So I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. So I'm shopping with my cousin and she is a piece of work. Look at what she's trying to wear for Thanksgiving. Come here. Come here. Show me the other one. She want to wear this for Thanksgiving to sit in the living room. Now the other one that you have right there, I think that one's fine. That's too plain. She either want to wear that or this. I'm kidding. She wants to wear this one, but I still feel like that's too much for Thanksgiving.
something that sparkled my eye.
She wants to look like she's going to the club, but like a conservative club. No, she wants to dress like she's going to an office She wants to dress like it's New Year's Eve to sit in the living room. I picked something up. I might get this one. Y'all will just have to see it when I post the video.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for niggas so cheap. And your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Flew the quick 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the vibes is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. No, not a vibe, put the work in.
All right, Popeyes. She's getting a regular one. Let's see how you feel. She looked disappointed.
It's not bad.
Okay, but what?
It's okay.
Alright, I got a spicy one. It got pickles in it, so I'm gonna take the pickles out.
Well, mine don't have pickles.
Yeah, this one has pickles in it. I only like pickles if they're fried. Alright, I'm about to bite this and we'll see what happens.
It's not bad.
It's not bad, but it ain't nothing serious.
But it's not like, oh my god.
Wendy's has a better spicy chicken sandwich. I'm just letting y'all know. Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. It's alright.
I feel like you keep eating it.
It gets better?
It gets better.
How hot is your sandwich? Because I don't see it in the camera, but I see the steam.
It's hot.
Okay. Oh, this guy came back. He upset. I remember they were waiting for that food. Oh, look at my nails, guys. They look blue. They're not blue. They're like silver. Focus. Hello. Okay. Hey guys, it's Thursday, and I know you guys hate me so much for not vlogging, or you don't give a shit, but whatever. So it is actually Thanksgiving. I am about to go to my cousin's house. It's actually, what time is it? It is 10:56 right now, so I'm about to head over to my cousin's house and then help make dinner. I don't know. I only contribute the alcohol, so I don't know why I'm coming so early. But she asked me to come, so I'm going. Yeah, you know, I'm about to be like hella extra today, so you'll just see in the vlog how extra I am. But let me put on my sweatshirt and then I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing for right now, and then I'm gonna head to my cousin's house, and I'm gonna just head to my cousin's house, and then I'm gonna catch up with y'all there. I have on this hair from I don't even know who this company is anymore. Pretty Little Thing sweatshirt. These leggings are from Babes and Feline. I have on these Ugg slippers with my socks on right now. I'm just gonna go put on my coats, and then I'm gonna head over to my cousin's house, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, so my cousin got me on mac and cheese today. You wanna be in the camera?
Jesus, whip my
You're not there.
the wig.
We got some oxtail already done. I kind of want a little piece. Can I get a little piece? I'm trying to see if I can get a little piece, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just wait. I think this is some roast pork right here. Got some rice and some beans. Ooh, real steamy, okay. Mozzarella, some sharp, mild, monetary jack, and mozzarella, some more mozzarella. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different types of cheese. So, guys, I'm so tall. Hi. So we're at her house right now. We're at her house, and she has me. I'm about to shred all the cheese for the mac and cheese.
Yes.
So, is there gonna be potato salad?
You want potato salad? We're gonna have potato salad.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yay.
Very good. Potato salad.
Wow, thank you.
Nice.
Okay, so I'll talk to you guys when we're done. Bye.
that Rachel nasty. She don't wash her hand. And we'll never eat her food. She never wash her hand. She take the steak out of the brown paper, beat it and go cook it. All people eat them thing then.
Oh, you mean Rachel Ray? You talk about somebody at your job.
Rachel Ray. Combination at over Thanksgiving, Costa Rica, because really we don't celebrate Thanksgiving, so we just twisting up everything.
We twisting up everything?
We're having a little oxtail, rice and peas, turkey, collard greens, candy yam,
Yes.
mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, jerk pork, sour cream, and over macaroni and cheese. It's a little bit of twist of every little thing today.
Okay.
Just we're twisting it up. Costa Rican American Thanksgiving Day.
Even bake it yet.
We're only looking at the bomb, girlfriend. Don't need nothing else.
You gotta put the. Do you put the breadcrumbs on before or after you bake it? Before, right?
Before, they're going to be crunchy on top.
Ooh.
But you have bacon, then it will be another 10, but I didn't cook the bacon. So that's crunchy, 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 the bacon.
Okay.
Games on your phone?
Mac and cheese coming together real nice.
Hi. I'm using grandma's phone because I know the password.
Don't you be a meanie. Thought you wanted me to go. Why you trying to keep me feeling now?
I'm dressed and I did switch up. I put the wig on, put a different wig on. This is Princess right here. Y'all can't really see my outfit though. This little fur vest thing is from Joyce Leslie. The sweater dress is from Forever. Ooh, I look a little chunky. The sweater dress is from Forever 21, and then I got some thigh-high boots from Joyce Leslie too. Princess, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a dress.
Mm-hmm.
And I did my hair ready, as you can see.
Yes, I can see that your hair is done.
So,
And tell me about your shoes.
so these shoes are actually for church.
Oh, those are church shoes. Okay, okay. You look pretty.
It's not for houses because it makes these snot noise.
Mm-hmm.
So this.
You're wearing heels.
So this is not for home.
I forgot my eyelashes at home, y'all. How unlike me is that? I don't got no eyelashes on. I only got eyeliner on. But I'm about to do my cousin's eyelashes. So I will talk to you when the food is all done. Ooh, the turkey is done. The stuffing is done. The sweet potato is in the
Is
oven.
that gonna go on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
We got to put the pumpkin pie in the oven.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so.
So, okay, that's all we're gonna wait.
Now's my brother for. This is my brother's turn. I need help, brother. Oh, she's not gonna be on YouTube. I want him on YouTube.
So what are you excited to eat? Food. What part of the food? Turkey!
Pumpkin pie!
Okay. Turkey, pumpkin pie, mac and cheese. Siobhan, what are you excited to eat? You're gonna get fight. You are absolutely right. So bye guys, because I forgot this Kids Bop though.
Yeah.
Kids up.
Would they find me for Kids Bop music? You're excited to eat.
I'm excited to eat pumpkin pie, which I don't like, but I'm going to taste it.
Okay.
I like apple pie actually.
Okay. Okay. What are you excited to eat?
Turkey, because what else is gonna be in Thanksgiving?
The mac and cheese. And the sweet potatoes.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, that's like the best part of Thanksgiving. Katya, what are you excited to eat?
Everything.
Everything?
100 things.
Wait a minute. How can you not like something that you haven't tried before?
She's excited to eat it. She didn't say she didn't like it.
She said she did it.
Oh my gosh.
It's
Don't.
alright. It's alright. She gonna try it today and we gonna see if she likes it. Actually, I'm excited to eat the oxtail. I forgot that there was oxtail. Do you like oxtail? Okay, I'm gonna fight you for the last piece.
What? I'm a kid. I'm gonna get beat up.
I'm not gonna beat you up. I'm just gonna hold it up higher than you. Huh? Hi, mommy.
Hi.
This is for YouTube.
Stage 2 of the turkey.
Oop, this is Eli. All right. Table's done.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for niggas so cheap. And your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting in you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the quick 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the vibes is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in the bag and I'm Birkin. No, not a vibe, put the work in. Laws and all, I love them all for me a birthday. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl.